Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in our last video, we have gone through the British Columbia PST and SK PST return, and we have walked through the process of how we can file the PST return for both of these provinces. Today we are going to file another return which is QST for Quebec. It's the same like PST. There's some difference which I'm going to tell you. But before we move to the topic, I would request all of you to do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest information. So this is my QST report. The procedure is more or less same. However, there is one more account which is 1400 account. This is an account for ITC, which is input tax credit. ITC is a tax that we used to pay when we make the purchases. Let me just tell you here. So we have two type of taxes. One is the input tax, the other one is the output tax. The input tax is a tax that we pay on purchases, whereas the output tax is a tax that we collect on the sales. In Canada, now this is the Canada taxation. In US, when we talk about the USA sales tax, there is no ITC, because at the time of sales or purchases, the buyer provides you with that resale certificate, and then the tax will not be charged on the invoice. But in Canada, there is no concept for the resale certificate. What you can do here is you will net off the amount, and for example, if you have input tax, you can just deduct that from your output tax, and the net will be either payable or either refund. So here you can see I have 1400 account, which is an input tax ITC account, and then I have 2000 account, which is a tax collected, the tax which I have been collected on the sales. On my input tax, you can see I have the one with the Canadian currency, I have the one then with the USD currency, I have the one with the DKK currency, and then I have this tax which is the tax collected on sales, and then I have these as a Canadian and as a USD as well. Here you can see on my Avalara, the report is pretty much same. I have the GST here and I have the QST here. So if I want to see how much percentage is my QST tax, you can see it's almost 10 percentage. So if I just divide this with the total taxable sale, this is the total percentage, 10 percentage. So QST is 10 percentage while GST is 55 percentage. So this is my spreadsheet, this is my sheet that I'm going to use while filing my return. Now for the QST, I used to file this return in paper form, and then I mail this to the address, because right now I don't have an online access to that form. So what I can do here, from the Quebec website, you can just download this form, fillable PDF document, and once you download it, you can just fill the form with the information, and then you can just mail this form and your return will be filed. So you can see this is my QST form. You will fill the information with the number, with the identification number, the period that you're gonna file, the name, and then here you can put the total sales. Here you can put the tax that you have that has been collected, your output tax, and then here you can put the input tax and net, either it will be payable or the refund. Normally QST do gives you a refund amount if your ITC, if your input tax is more than the output tax, and if your output tax is more than input tax, you need to pay that the difference to the Quebec Department of Revenue. So this is how you're gonna file QST return. If you have any questions, any comments, any suggestions, do let me know in the comment box. Thank you very much.